What's your name? My name is Jenny. How are you? I'm good, thank you. And you? Do you speak English? Yes, I speak a little English. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. How old are you? I'm 20-year old. What do you do? I'm a student. Where do you live? I live in New York. Do you like coffee? Yes, I like coffee very much. How many apples are there? There are 3 apples. Is it hot today? Yes, it is very hot today. What are you doing? I'm reading a book. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. What color is your car? My car is red. Are you married? No, I am single. What do you like to do in your free time? I like to listen to music. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a dog. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. Do you have a job? I Yes, I work as a teacher. Can you play the guitar? No, I can't play the guitar. Where did you go yesterday? I went to the park. What's the weather like? It's sunny. What did you eat for breakfast? I ate egg and toast. What do you go to school? I go to school by bus. What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is The Lion King. Do you like sports? Yes, I like playing football. How many languages do you speak? I speak 2 languages. What's your favorite season? My favorite season is spring. Do you prefer tea or coffee? I prefer tea. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling a bit tired today. What's your favorite book? My favorite book is Harry Potter. What can you help me? Yes, what do you need? Where did you learn English? I learn English at a school. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. Do you like to coffee? Yes, I enjoy coffee very much. What's your favorite TV show? My favorite TV show is Friends. Can you drive a car? Yes, I can drive car. What's your favorite type of music? I like pop music. Do you have a computer? Yes, I have a laptop. What color are your eyes? My eyes are brown. Do you like to dance? What's your father's name? My father's name is John. What's your mother's name? My mother's name is Mary. How many rooms are there in your house? There are 5 rooms. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I love ice cream. Do you exercise regularly? Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week. What do you usually have for lunch? I usually have sandwich. Have a lunch. What's your favorite drink? My favorite drink is water. Are you good at drawing? No, I'm not very good at drawing. What is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is apple.